A second is a hiccup. A Child's Book of Time by Hazel Hutchins, illustrated by Katie MacDonald Denton. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup, the time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute, 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus, verses, not too long. That's just enough to fill a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by. If you build a sandy tower, run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower, pretend you have a secret power,